हिंदी को भाषा का प्रेफर करो mixed language. Okay. So what is yoga? Tell me what is yoga? Yesterday I told you the definition of yoga. Yoga is yujyate aneno iti yoga. To unite is yoga. Union in between
body and soul.
no. First Atma plus Paramatma. Union in between soul and supreme soul is known as yoga. Right? In between soul and supreme soul is known as yoga. Second thing, definition of yoga according to Maharshi Patanjali. Because Maharshi Patanjali is the founder of yoga. In fact, it is the Rajyoga or Patanjali Yoga Darshan or Ashtanga Yoga. Right? He is the founder. Who is Maharshi Patanjali? Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yupakarutam pravaram muninam Patanjali pranjalirana tasmai. That means he is the founder of yoga. Yogena chittasya, by practice of yoga you can rectify your speech. Padena vacha, sorry, by the practice of yoga you can cleanse your chitta suddhi. By grammar, what? Speech. And by Ayurveda you can rejuvenate your body. So among all, the Maharshi Patanjali founder, I salute to them. Right? And Maharshi Patanjali has given the 8 limbs: Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. Right? So, our body has different limbs. Our body is not only one, this body, gross body, but we have physical body, mental body, emotional body and spiritual body. For that, Ashtanga Yoga, how Ashtanga Yoga is related to our body, mind and soul, that is a question. So how can you correlate with the Ashtanga Yoga? How does the Ashtanga Yoga affect your entire body system? For example, Yama, Niyama, it is which aspect? Emotional aspect. Asana, physical aspects. Pranayama, mental aspect. Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi is the spiritual aspect of the body. Understood? So what are the different parts of the body? Tell me. Tell me the different parts of the body. Physical part, mental, emotional and spiritual. So Ashtanga Yoga, what are the different types of yoga? Ashtanga Yoga, what are the different parts of Ashtanga Yoga? Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. So Yama and Niyama, it is correlate with what? Which aspects of the body? Emotional aspect. Asana affects the physical body. Pranayama, mental. And Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi, spiritual aspects of the body. That's why this Ashtanga Yoga or Patanjali Yoga it affects the entire system of our body, whether it is a physical body, whether it is a mental body, whether it is an emotional body or a spiritual body. So our body is an integrated one, not only one aspect. Physical body is not the only one body. It is a what? Combination of physical, mental, emotional and spiritual. Understood? Any doubt? Okay. Next one is our body according to your Upanishad, that Yuga Upanishad says our body is the Panchakosha. What are the different types of kosha? Tell me. Tell me the different types of kosha. Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, what? That is Vayu. Kosha. Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha and Anandamaya kosha. Which Upanishad? Taittreya Upanishad. Which Upanishad? Taittreya Upanishad says about the Panchakosha. Kaha Panchakosha? Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha and Anandamaya kosha is known as your Panchakosha. So Bhrigu is asking to Varuna, what is the most fundamental, unchanging and eternal principle which is known as Brahman? At that time the debate is going on in between the Bhrigu and Varuna. Varuna is explaining that, dear son, we go and experience, then he experiences the different type of kosha. He reports to his father. First is Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha and Anandamaya kosha. Annamaya kosha is this physical body, it is the anatomy of the body. Pranamaya kosha, physiology of the body. Manomaya kosha, mind. Vijnanamaya kosha, intuitive mind, higher mind. And Anandamaya kosha is known as Atma. So these are the Panchakosha. Kaha Panchakosha? Yes, kaha Panchakosha? No, wrong. Annamaya kosha? No. Chronologically you have to speak. First is Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha,
Manomaya kosha,
then
Anandamaya kosha,
and
Vijnanamaya kosha.
one by one. First,
Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Anandamaya kosha.
no,
Manomaya kosha.
then first, no Vijnanamaya kosha. First one is no Annamaya, then
Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha.
must remember all these things. These are the Panchakosha. Which Upanishad? Taittreya Upanishad. Which Upanishad? What is the debate in between two persons? Varuna and Bhrigu. Bhrigu Vadi. This is known as Bhrigu Vadi. बुझिए ना? So what is the relevance of yoga in the world? Who can say? What is the relevance of yoga in modern life? And what are the misconceptions of yoga? Yoga in modern life is a vital role to lead a lifestyle. Yoga does not mean to practice asana and pranayama. Asana and pranayama are limit to yoga. What is asana and pranayama?
Physical.
No. What is asana and pranayama in modern in this context? Asana and pranayama are
a part of it.
limit to your yoga. What is asana and pranayama? What is asana and pranayama?
Limit to you.